This is JVN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Department of Faculty of Education and Methodology. Program name BSc B.Ed PCM 5th semester and course name Multivariate Calculus and Vector Differentiation. So, session of today is multiple integration and double integral. So just like integration, single integration or line integration, integration is nothing but it is generalization of the length, or in another word we can say it is the summation of some pieces of line. And similar way, double integration is nothing but it is generalization of area or sum of pieces of squares, and it's a generalization. So definition is, suppose fxy is a function of two independent variable. It is because here there is two variables, or area has two dimensions, length and breadth. So independent variable x and y in xy plane. Fxy be defined at all points and be continuous in some finite region R and on its boundary. The region R be divided into subdivision delta R1, delta R2, dot 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 delta Rn. Areas delta A1, delta A2, dot 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 delta An. This is the corresponding squares. Consider any point xi yi inside the ith area delta An. From the sum S will be the function f x1 y1 delta A1, f x2 y2 delta A2 plus dot 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 f xi yi delta Ai. So this sum is equal to, in compact form, I is equal to 1 to n fxi delta I, or this sum is reduced into the integration. This summation is nothing but it is the integration, or in another format it is called double integration R fxy delta A. So double integration R fxy dx dy is equal to limit n tending to infinite I is equal to 1 to n summation of fxi yi delta x delta y. This is the definition of double integration, double integral. Now let us take some example in this regard. So example is taking the integration, evaluate integral double integration 0 to 2, 0 to 1 x square plus y square dx dy. This is the problem. So we have to integrate this problem first of all with respect to y, and then it is integrated with respect to x. So integrate first of all with respect to y and taking into the bracket, or integrating x square with respect to y is equal to x square y, and integration of y square with respect to y is equal to y cube upon 3, and limit of this integration will be 0 to 1. So putting these limit and putting the 1 in place of y, then minus and putting the value of y is 0, and after solving difference become x square plus 1 by 3. Now this function is integrated with respect to x, and integrating x square x cube upon 3 and 1 by 3 x by 3, and putting the value 0 to 2, putting the value at the place of x. So it gives the 8 by 3 and 2y3 minus 0, putting the 0 at the place of x, it will be banished. So the final integration is equal to 10 upon 3. In the same way, another example will be 0 to 3, 0 to 1, xy, 1 plus x plus y dx dy. This is the integration. First of all, we have to integrate this function with respect to y and solve it, and function of y is taken into the bracket, and after integrating it will gives the polynomial xy square upon 2 plus x square y square upon 2 plus xy cube upon 3. It is because it is only integrating with respect to y and treated x as a constant. So putting the value of upper limit and then putting minus lower limit. So in order to solving the integration, first of all you have to put the value of 2 at the place of y minus 1 at the place of y, and solving you get the polynomial is given here, and the value will be 23 upon 6x plus 3y2 x square, and this is the function of x. So integrate this function with respect to x, you get 23 by 6 into 1 by 2 x square plus 3 by 2 into 1 by 3 x cube, and putting the limit 0 to 3. So 3 at the place of x minus 0 at the place of x, and solving this we get the 23 upon 12, 9 minus 0, and after solving this you get the 123 upon 4. This is the final integration. I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. Thank you very much.